What? I need to get my coffee and get some tea. Got a nice little mohawk. Is there anyone on right now?
What's up?
Okay. I'm finna say, rate my finger, like, tell me what you like, if I can. You set me free. I can't do this thing without you.
Hello. Good morning. How we doing? I'm just making some tea right now. I'm going to turn on CNBC and we're going to hopefully talk about stocks and crypto. It's 9 o'clock in California. So I got about an hour that I can live stream. So, yeah, XRP. What's XRP's price right now? I gave 2 people 1,000 XRP when it was like 25 cents. They're gonna be so happy. I gave them 250 bucks of XRP, and it's probably now gonna be like $2 grand or something. Yeah, they're gonna love my gift. It was a $250 gift that turned in. Southern Vibe.
Yo, what are we looking at?
So I am a stock and crypto investor. So we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, and I also have my broker's license, and I actually invest in real estate as well.
Hell yeah, brother. You the right man to be talking to right now. So, where you from first?
California, where real estate's really overpriced.
Yeah, I heard. What's up, Brittany? So what's the next coin?
What's the next coin? We first want to get the good coins, right? Have you heard of crypto staking or no?
Yeah, I stake. Yeah, I heard of crypto staking.
Okay, so are you like staking your Bitcoin and Ethereum?
Yeah, well, not Bitcoin, but I'm staking Ethereum. Yeah.
Okay, what's the percentage they pay you?
6%.
Good for you, man. That's higher than what I get. I get paid 5.25. Where do you go to get 6%? This is awesome, dude. I'm proud of you, man.
I do it
Follow,
on
man.
Coinbase,
I'm following
bro.
you right now. Coinbase pays you 7% on your Ethereum?
No, not 7%, 6%. It's like 5 point something, almost 6%.
Okay, on Coinbase. When did this start? This must be new. That Coinbase now pays you?
Hold on a second. Why is my screen yellow? Hey, redo your thing. Can you redo, like, flip it and turn it back? Because you're yellow to me. And so am I.
I'm yellow? Let me change it. I'm going to change my background so you can see what I get on my interest rates. Hold on. Give me a sec.
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to follow you. No, I can't see him at all. Fuck.
Hold on, give me a sec. I'm just trying to change. Oh, he got out. Oh, he left. But hold on. I'm going to change the screen so you can see the interest rates. One sec. There we go. This is what I wanted to show him. By the way, do you guys hear that loud ass bird? And he forced me to go outside to do my live stream. But I'll probably go back inside if this continues. All right, I'm gonna go back inside because I want to turn on CNBC. Get in now before Flare is live. Ether 2. What? What are you guys talking about? One second.
What do you mean?
I want to watch CNBC. I have to watch CNBC so I can see the stock stuff and talk about it. Whatever. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. I don't care. Then Then I'm going to my pad from now on. I'm not coming here. Where do you get that kind of interest? This is Voyager Digital, but I am interested in learning where I can get, because like there was another guy who came on my live stream who gets like 7% on his Ethereum. So it is worth it to check out other places, but I do believe you're taking on a little more risk when they're paying you 7% on your Ethereum. Hold on, I need to turn on CNBC. Hopefully you guys are buying stocks. Yearn, yeah, that was one of them. Yearn, yeah. Who was the guy? His name's like Crypto Dingle or something like that. He's a good follow if you guys are not following him. I don't know if I have his number. I have to message him and ask for his phone number and do more live streams with him. But I don't know about you guys, but I just put in like this morning and yesterday. All you guys want to talk about is BNB. BNB is a good coin. I love BNB. But is no one buying stocks? Like stocks are so cheap right now. Like you guys don't care? No one cares about investing in stocks? You can still buy ARK. At one point, ARK was under $100. You could buy ARKK for under $100. The ice cream GI Joe. Yeah, dollar is going. That's why I get 9% on my dollar. All right, let me go on my stock trades. So I bought some Peloton. It's too expensive now, but I bought Peloton in the 80s. Crypto's more exciting. That's the problem. I'm trying to help you guys for the crypto crash because here's the deal. This is the strategy, right? Eventually, crypto's going to crash. We all know, right? I'm targeting end phase. There we go. Ayala, $10. Good job. You bought some ARK. Okay, so this is the deal. We know crypto's going to crash, right? Whenever it happens. Okay, I got another live request. Hello.
You trading?
No. We talk about staking. We don't do trading.
What is staking?
You put your coins in a exchange and they pay you interest. So you could do it on like the US dollar. Yeah.
No way. Holy shit. I love that. Which ones are you doing it on? Oh, you got Polkadot in there? Litecoin?
Yeah,
I have some. I got it. Nice.
Yeah, so you got into crypto then. You're also a crypto investor?
Yeah, I mean I just like play with it on Robinhood and Coinbase, but I didn't know about I've never heard of staking. That's sick.
Yeah. What about stocks though? Because like before you came on here, literally before you invited me or whatever, I was telling people like, look, we all know cryptos are eventually going to crash, and that's why you have to have stocks because when cryptos crash, you can use your stocks to borrow to buy crypto.
Right.
You can do it with crypto for now. Do you own any stocks on your Robinhood, or are you just YOLO crypto?
Yeah, I have some. I have a bunch of ETFs in stash. I mean, I wouldn't take financial advice from me. I'm a fucking idiot. But I have some ETFs in stash. Like, I've got like marijuana, solar. I just put some in like some different like psychedelic, like psilocybin stuff that hopefully long term does well. And then I was doing Blink, but that shit crashed. I don't know.
Well, I don't know about Blink, but I like ChargePoint because I live in California and there's a lot of ChargePoint. And if you can buy it right now, I think it's a good stock. So, what about like the S&P 500? You never bought any of the S&P 500 ETFs?
I bought put options on it, but that's it, really.
What's funny is I've never done any option trading. I've been investing for 12 years. I've never done any option trading.
It's really, really stressful, and I feel like I don't know enough about timing it, but yeah, I get burned pretty much every time.
So my trading strategy that I teach to everyone is just buy high quality assets. You know, it's like Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, right?
Yeah.
And basically, if you want to make good money on them, you can use those stocks to borrow. And like, you can borrow at 2.5% on Robinhood. So like, let's just say I had $10,000 of Amazon, for example. You can borrow $5,000 at 2.5% interest, And literally, if you wanted to be like a sissy, you could just put it in the US dollar and get 9%.
Damn.
But you can also use it to buy, like if cryptos go down, you can buy. And during this stock market crash, here, I'll even show you. I have a little, I'll show you my Robinhood. Hold on one second. I'm going to go blank for a second so I can show it.
Wait, I need to write this down literally. Oh, where's my iPad?
Here is like one of my crashes. You see,
Mm.
so obviously a bad day, right? It crashes, but then look at my buying power.
Damn.
So like, it's a lot easier for me to buy stocks when stocks go down, or even cryptos go down, because I just use the current stocks I own as collateral. And that encourages me not to buy crappy stocks, because once you turn on Robinhood Gold, it'll tell you how much you can borrow on each stock. So if you buy crappy stocks, they don't lend you a lot of money.
Mm. Huh. All right. I still don't really understand, but I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video on staking and borrowing stocks.
There you go. YouTube can teach you as well, but you can also feel free.
Yeah,
I mean, I asked you, so feel free to ask me questions in the future if you ever want to come on the live stream. And
cool. Yeah, I
I'll
was
try to.
not expecting a crypto live. I just invited a random person because I was bored. But this is cool, very fun. I'm gonna go though.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
Yeah. Hold on one second. I gotta turn off my phone. All right, let me know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Just give me a yes or no if you guys can hear me. When people call in, the volume okay, so you guys can hear me. Thank you. All right, good to know. So, did anyone have a question on how to do the staking? Because I can change it. Let me change my background.
You don't want to go to the gym?
No, why do you keep asking me these questions? I don't understand. I'm trying to do a live stream. And then Annie's like, do you want to go to the gym? Do you want to go to the gym? It's like, why are you asking me these questions? I'll go to the gym when I want to go to the gym. Okay. There you go. Good job on getting approved for interactive brokers. Dude, people keep inviting me.
Hey, so I think John Green, or fuck, Hank Green. I keep mixing them up. I think Hank Green might be my dad. So I'm just kind of like looking, trying to find anybody who might have like connections with Hank Green. Do you know him personally by any chance?
No, I do stock, crypto, and real estate. If you want to talk about stocks and crypto, I'm down.
Yeah, I put a bunch of money into AMC because I think it's stupid.
No, it's a good stock. Keep it, maybe.
No.
I have an AMC too. It's a great stock.
No, yeah. I lost like $200 in a day. It was really funny.
What did you buy it for? What did you pay for your AMC stock?
I don't know. I should just put money into things that I think are funniest. Oh yeah, well I'm not back. I put like money into Doge and crashed because of Elon Musk, but whatever. I don't give a shit.
No, it's coming back now. Doge is even recovering. Yeah. As long as you're not like a paper handing sissy, you probably made money on all these dumb investments. As long as you hold.
Yeah, I decided that. Oh yeah, it's recovering, but I think I decided that I'm gonna just I'm switching to Webull so that I can short sell on fucking normal stocks instead of just crypto.
Oh yeah, I don't like Webull, and I don't do any shorting because what I do is I learn how to borrow. So like what happens is when the market goes down, if you have high quality stocks, Robinhood will lend you money, right? But you can't buy crap stocks. If you buy like AMC, they're not going to lend you as much as if you buy like Apple, Amazon. So what I try to do is like I try to accumulate the really good stocks, and then when there's crashes, I use the good stocks to then buy like crypto on discount and other crappy stocks. But at the end of the day, I'm trying to accumulate all the good stocks that will give me the maximum loan amount. Because if it's a good stock, they'll usually they'll give you 75% loan if it's a good stock.
Shit, dude. So, well, I'm not gonna risk that kind of shit because I'm in college, and if I bet wrong, that's gonna fuck me up. So,
well, it's the best way to learn is to just do small amounts. So, like if first off, you can't even borrow until you have $2,000, so you don't have to worry about it until you get to $2,000. But even when you get to $2,000, if you're taking out $100 or $200, like you're not gonna have to worry about like losing your collateral. And like, especially if you're doing it right now, because the market just went down 30%, this is the best time to be borrowing. Now, if you're doing it when the market has gone up 30%, you're an idiot, right? But if you're
Mm-hmm.
borrowing when there's a crash, whether it's crypto or stocks, you're most likely going to make money, and it's really hard to get a margin call when you're doing it at like at a low price, because you usually need the market to go down to 75%. Let's just say I borrowed $100. In order to get a margin call, I would literally need Amazon or Apple to go down 75% when I borrowed, which is like impossible. I mean, look at Amazon, look at Apple, like they go down, but they go down like 4%, 5%, they're
Mm-hmm.
monopolies. So as long as you're
Yeah.
using monopoly as your collateral, you're not gonna have to worry about a margin call. But if you're buying crap stuff like crap stocks, then yeah. But they usually don't lend you a lot of money, so it makes it even harder to get a margin call because they give you such
Right.
small amount.
I think honestly the best bet would be to like get one of those stocks where you're trying to get money if the stock goes down, and then just set their office on fire. Like that's probably the best, safest investment, because if they have a major fire at their like central location, that stock's gonna drop. That's a guarantee. So
I'd be careful, man, because you know that
what's
you can get in trouble for that stuff. I mean, you're in college,
what
so hopefully they don't care. Like you're talking
setting
about
stuff
setting
on
buildings on
fire?
fire. Yeah, bro,
That's
you can get in
illegal.
trouble.
Oh shit! I gotta go. All right. Good luck.
There's so many stupid people. There's so many stupid people on TikTok. Holy crap. How do these stupid people get so many followers? Like how did that guy get 1,000 followers, man? He must have made like some dumb TikToks. But it's like a numbers game for like I get 3 idiots and then I get one like interesting person. And the good thing is like once you get like an interesting person, I'm like, yo, bro, this is like the most monitored thing. And like with artificial intelligence, when you say the magical words, it gets red flagged with AI. So, but he's in college, dude. College kids say like dumb stuff all the time. But yeah, the only reason I accept these calls because I get 3 stupid calls and then I get one like legit person. No, this is old. I'm not down today. The market went up. I think I'm up a couple $1,000 today because yeah, everything's up today. Bitcoin's up. Yeah, everything's up. So this is an old one, but I bought the dip. So yeah, when the market crashes, I'm using my collateral to buy the stocks for cheap. Yeah, today was a Green Day. By the way, real talk, Green Day is one of my favorite bands. Loved Green Day. So what do I hold now? Stocks. I have a lot of Tesla, a lot of Amazon, a lot of Apple. That's why it's like boring, but that's why I can borrow so much money. But Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, AMD, crypto. I own a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And just to let everyone know, if Ethereum hits $10,000, your boy has $500,000 of Ethereum. And for me to be an Ethereum millionaire, I need Ethereum to hit 20,000. So if Ethereum hits 20,000, I'll have $1,000,000 of Ethereum, which is pretty freaking crazy because I paid like $270 for most of my Ethereum. And what makes me more upset is I bought a bunch of crypto with my LLC, and I'm only a 50% owner of my LLC. So I've made some of my investors very rich. And it's kind of unfair because they should give me like a bigger cut. But yeah, I got my investors to buy over 100 Ethereum. So they're super rich, and unfortunately, that Ethereum I don't own 100%. I only own 50%, which is still good. But and what's funny is that it was like a fight. Like they did the Bitcoin, that was not a problem. But when I started doing like Litecoin and Ethereum, they're like, oh, like I don't know about altcoins, and I'm like, look, dude, you want to stay diversified, and so it was funny. But my investors fought me over buying Bitcoin because they were in the beginning. They were like, no, it's too like volatile. How old do I have to be to do an LLC, and do I need money to start it? I would first try to learn before you start an LLC. Try to get like $2,000 on your Robinhood. I don't know about that. Mentorship, yeah, I do live streams, so I don't charge for classes because I make money by investing. I'm not a sellout, but you can come on these live streams and I try to answer the questions. But what's really cool about these live streams, we got people like Jolly and like my moderators. They know a lot about investing, so it's just not me. If you could also follow like the moderators too, just because if I make them a moderator, that means they know what they're doing and they probably listen to me say the same stuff over and over again. So, what's up, Sharkberry? How we doing, Sharkberry? But yeah, what are the altcoins? I would definitely get into which is better, borrow against. I wouldn't borrow against crypto, man. I would only stake it right now. The interest rates are not good. Do not borrow on your crypto. Borrow on your stocks. Yeah. Yeah, and here's the deal. Like, I made Jolly a moderator because she's also a pretty like intelligent investor, and she's probably heard me like re-say the same stuff over and over again. So that's why I do the moderator stuff too. Like if they're a moderator, they're pretty knowledgeable, and they usually they answer the questions as good as me. Any ETFs you like more than others? I do like ARK, guys. ARKK. Love ARK. I can bring up the screenshot of ARK if you guys want. ARKK. But I love ARK. I love LIT, which is lit, LIT. And then I also like ICLN. And these are all basically clean energy, clean technology ETFs. But anyways, there's like 25 people in the live stream. If anyone here has more than 1,000 followers and would like to do a double live with me, let me know. I love doing the double lives, and that way I can answer any questions you might have. So my goal is to help all my followers get 1,000 followers, so you can come on my live stream and ask me questions. Yes, VOO is a great one. Everyone here should own VOO. Love the question, Albert. VO is a great one. What percent of your portfolio is crypto? Less than 10%, because I own a lot of real estate. Like I'm more than 50% real estate, and then I'm probably like 70% real estate, 20% stocks, 10% crypto. But I got into real estate when it was really cheap. So I don't recommend, like if I was starting all over again in 2011 and I don't have a lot of money, like let's just say I just started this year with $2,000, I wouldn't put it in real estate for now. I would be putting it all into crypto and stocks. And then in the future, I mean, ideally in the future, I'd like to be 33% real estate, 33% stocks, 33% crypto. What's going on with XRP? I don't know. It's a good coin though. Don't sell it. Which do you recommend for buying? Can Graham Stephan come on TikTok live? I think they're YouTubers, man. YouTubers are too like cool. I can go live on YouTube, by the way. If anyone's interested, follow my YouTube channel. I actually put all my TikTok lives on my YouTube. So if you're really bored and you have like a really long drive, I have like 2-hour, 3-hour TikTok live YouTube videos. So you just go on YouTube and you can basically, and there's some really good ones. Like I have one with crypto, like that crypto guy. I'm glad you got some Cardano. But anyways, what's the platform I recommend buying crypto? Let me change it so you can see. So this is the one I recommend. It's Voyager Digital. There's my referral code. And then I also recommend Blockify. There's no fees. These two do not charge you fees, and they pay you interest on your crypto. I would open up both. I would do a Voyager account and a Blockify. But if anyone knows Graham Stephan, I would love to do a double live with Graham Stephan. To the moon. Yeah. But let me know if anyone in the chat has the ability to do a double live. If not, we can continue talking. Yeah, that's why I was saying Robinhood. It's funny that people are complaining. It literally, you just give it a month. Give it a month, and then Interactive Brokers is not that bad. But that's why, like, if you use Robinhood, it's a lot easier. But I regret using Robinhood because, to be honest, I have a lot of money on Robinhood, and I pay way more in interest. I don't think the real estate market's going to crash because right now we have inflation. So with inflation, I believe, wow, my hair is crazy. But with inflation, I believe that with inflation, I think real estate prices are going to keep going up. But thank you, The Real Cat, for the fire. Thank you for the fire. I appreciate that. I'm turning 18. Where do I invest? What do you guys say? Let's. This is a good one. I'm turning 18. My grandma gave him 100K. Let's all do this together. I'm gonna like see everyone's chat. I always say do half crypto, half stocks. So I would do 50K crypto, 50K stocks. I like Robinhood, guys. I like Robinhood. It's just I'm right now losing money because I'm borrowing like 20 or 30 grand on Robinhood, and I pay 2.5% interest. And then if I was doing it on Interactive Brokers, I would be paying less than 1%. But because I like Robinhood, I just give them the money. But oh yeah, thank you for sharing the video. And yeah, like if you tap on the screen twice, if you like it, it helps get more people in the chat. Buy a duplex. I don't know, man. I don't know because right now prices are really high. So it really depends on where you want to buy real estate. And I think dealing with tenants when you're 18 is a pain in the butt, but dealing with stocks and crypto, it might be a little easier. What did I put the Robinhood loan in? I bought stocks and crypto with my Robinhood. What cryptos are you staking through what app? These are the two that I stake. Yeah, I have AMC, but I bought most of my AMC for $3. But I'm holding, and I'm not going to sell AMC because I believe in the movie theater. So I bought Cinemark and AMC, and I'm just holding it. But I diversified. I didn't put it all into AMC. I bought two. I bought Cinemark and AMC. But these are the two where I'm collecting interest on my cryptos. Exactly. You don't want to be Wolf of Wall Street. I think you want to buy high quality stocks like Apple, Amazon, Facebook. I don't like AT&T though. You can buy AT&T, but I like everything else. I like Tesla. I like ARK. I like Square. See? I like your choices, Lame. Those are good choices. But you can still do AT&T. It's safe. It's a safe stock. I just don't like it because I pay a lot of tax to California. So I avoid dividend stocks. But, you know, when you're 18, you don't have to worry about that. Explore your passions, amigo. Yeah, there you go. USD interest. Hey, by the way, so I get paid on the 1st. Everyone here, come on my live stream on the 1st. I'm gonna get paid 9% on my 10 grand. Yeah, I do Voyager and Blockify. I have more crypto on Blockify, even though the rate is lower, just because it's like more security to move your crypto in and out. It's a lot harder to move it out of Blockify, but I also use Voyager as well. And you get $100 of free Bitcoin if you sign up for Voyager. Blockify gives you $250 of free Bitcoin, but you have to like deposit 10 grand. Yeah, US dollar coin. Yep. Let me change it so people can see. I feel like that gives everyone. So 1 second, guys. There we go. Can you give? I heard Mr. Tabrizi wanted to quit. I heard he was on his live stream like, I'm quitting live streaming. KuCoin is good, but the problem with KuCoin is you have to constantly check it. In fact, as soon as I end this live stream, I'm gonna go check my KuCoin. What's up, Pierre? Do you want to do a little talk right now, Pierre? If you're available to do a double live, let me know, Pierre. I'm probably gonna get off in about 10 minutes to go to the gym. But before I go, if you want to talk for like 5-10 minutes, I would love to do a double live with you, Mr. Pierre Woods. You should follow him. Hey, Anime Kid's here too. Anime Kid in the live stream. Two of my favorite TikTokers, Anime Kid and Pierre Woods. Wow. Dude, Kelly, you're becoming like a crypto guru. I love this, dude. Kelly, man. I'm glad you went down the rabbit hole of Nexio. I've heard of it, but I don't do crypto loans, man. I regret I took a $10,000 loan on BlockFi, and right now I should be getting 6% on my Bitcoin, and instead I'm paying 6% interest. So, but yeah, I've heard of Nexio. I was drawing Omi Man during my Zoom. Are you able to do a double live right now, Anime Kid? I got 3 minutes left. If I don't get a double live request, I'm gonna go in 3 minutes just because I gotta go work out. All right, cool. Go live and invite me. I stake on this website. Voyager and BlockFi is where I stake. So what? What do you mean, so what? By the way, CNBC is talking about Bitcoin. The suits on CNBC are mentioning Bitcoin. Yeah, but you don't pay taxes. If it's offshore, they don't report it to the government. So everyone should try KuCoin if you don't want to like pay tax.
Yo, how you doing?
How are we doing, man?
I'm doing good. Right. Let me see. Let me. I don't know. Just during my Zoom class, I got like 2 weeks left before I graduate.
What are you gonna do
Hella
once you
nervous.
graduate?
Maybe take
By
like
the way,
a whole break.
I was gonna ask you, can you show your artwork? I want people to see your artwork.
This is what I did during my class when the teacher was giving instructions on our finals. I was like, I just did Omni-Man real quick.
Nice.
Let's see. Now, as for my,
Have you thought of doing
good.
NFTs yet? Have you thought of doing like your digital like artwork NFTs?
No, I haven't yet. So this is the thing I finished on my latest live stream.
Oh, he accidentally left. YOLO, no taxes. Hey, did my volume correct? Anyways, I'm trying to get Anime Kid to create his own NFTs. I think you can make so much money in it right now. If you're an artist and you can create good artwork, you can basically sell your artwork for Ethereum. Like, how great is that? You can literally just draw art, and then someone will give you Ethereum for your artwork. But you obviously have to learn how to do all of that. So that's what I'm trying to. Yeah, there we go. Have a good workout. Fear of missing out, FOMO. But hey, if there's a message right now, I'm telling you, tech stocks are cheap. This is a good question, actually. So let me answer this question before I go. There we go. So what you do is you basically have to just convert your dollars into the stable coin, and then you literally just stake it. NFT weekend. Dude, that's what I'm gonna do with my kids. If any of my kids are artistic, I'm gonna make them like create a bunch of NFTs, like a YOLO Bitcoin NFT. I mean, I have no art ability, so that's why when I get a chance, I'm actually gonna talk to Anime Kid to see if he can draw me with like a YOLO Bitcoin, and we'll create an NFT of me, like an anime NFT of me. We're gonna do this, okay? Cause he's like busy with schoolwork, but he graduates, and I'll pay Anime Kid to create like a
and NFT YOLO Bitcoin. And maybe we'll create some merch too, you know, like a coffee mug that says YOLO Bitcoin. And so I don't know if any of you guys do the merch stuff. I would prefer someone make money off of me, but if you want to make the merch YOLO Bitcoin and stuff like that, I feel like people shouldn't buy it though. Instead of buying merch, you should be investing. So, but maybe I'll buy it and I'll wear it, you know. By the way, I got this from USC. I love this shirt. Eat, sleep, NBA. Yeah. Yeah, the minimums are here. So if you want to get, hold on. So if you want to get 6.5%, you need 0.01. But the easiest is the US dollar coin. You get 100. Tech stocks, I like AMD. No, man. No one, you're not interrupting me. No one's interrupting me. My wife. So the USD coin, you just convert it. It's like it's a digital dollar. So like a stable coin shouldn't go up and down that much. But let's talk tech stocks really quick before I go. Let's talk about. Yeah, sorry. I would also try if you're having trouble with your Voyager account. I would definitely try Blockify. So that's why, and you always want two, just in case there's like an outage. If one of your accounts goes down, you can still buy crypto on another account. But okay, so tech stocks. I really like AMD. I like Nvidia. I like Taiwan. Oops, I shouldn't say that. TSM. I like TSM. If I say the other word, I get throttled. I like Airbnb. That's a good one. And can I show my portfolio if I go live? Yeah. Yeah, let's do a double live. I forgot. You can do a double live. Yeah, go ahead. Go live and invite me and let's go over your portfolio. That's why I go live, is to do stuff like that. So I do like it when my followers can go live with me. But yeah, I like Uber and Airbnb. Uber, Airbnb. I'm buying Bumble. I don't know about you guys, but I think like online dating is the future. So I'm buying Bumble. AMD, A is an Apple, AMD and Nvidia. And Nvidia is NVDA. And if people in my live stream, if you guys can retype it out, the tickers, it's AMD, TSM, NVDA. By the way, watch Disney. If Disney goes under 170, I like Disney, man. Disney's an easy money stock. Disney's going to make a lot of money. Yeah, Bumble owns Baidu. There we go. Thank you. Uber, Airbnb, AMD, Nvidia, TSM. There we go. And then maybe Bumble too. Okay, DRI. I've never even heard of that. So, K Cox, are you going live? Are you going to go live, my friend? Or you do not know how to go live? I like Cheesecake Factory. Yeah. You bought the stock then, Richard Williams?
Hi, baby. Love you.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome to the live stream. Thank you for joining.
Not a problem. Kind of at
So,
work right now, but
okay.
trying to
How
figure
did you
this out
become?
still.
Okay, how did you become TikTok famous? How did you get 1,000 followers? I have to ask every time someone new comes on a live stream.
Really, I just followed a bunch of grow hosts and went into grow live parties and added a bunch of people that added people back.
Nice, very smart. Okay, that's how you get to 1,000 followers. Go to the grow parties.
I'm trying to figure out how to get my portfolio on my background so that I can show my portfolio.
Yeah, you have to switch your camera too. Do you know how to switch your camera? Have you ever done that or no?
No, I have not.
Okay, you can just read it off if you want to. You can just read it off to me verbally.
I'm trying to.
Dude, I gotta
I'm
give some
trying to
props though
pop up.
to Richard Williams. He bought 4,000 shares of Voyager Digital. That's smart, dude. You have more than me, man. I have like 1,000 shares of Voyager Digital, so good for you. But I think Voyager Digital will do really well. But I also bought Coinbase, so that's very, very smart.
I'm still trying to figure this out. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time. What's your number one stock holding? Do you know? On the top of your head? He's having bad internet. Yeah, wherever he's at, his internet is no bueno.
My number one is One Oak.
One Oak. Why One Oak?
Yes. It is an Oklahoma natural gas company.
Okay.
And
What made you go ahead?
It's the big gas, one of the big gas companies in the state of Oklahoma. 90%, I would say, of Oklahomans use One Oak or Centerpoint Energy for their gas. So
Just kind of like a stable, like, I mean, what's like your rate of return on like on a year of holding it, or does it pay really good? His internet's no good. It sounds like the internet in Oklahoma is no bueno. I don't think so. I don't think Voyager Digital. I don't think this is going to be the next BNB coin. I don't think so.
I'm up $18.70 on that one.
What's the
Myself.
What's the percentage gain on it?
The percentage gain on it?
Mm-hmm. Does it say like what percent? Because if you invest like $100 and you're up $18, you're up 18%.
Right now, I'm up 92% on that one.
Wow. Okay, that's a great stock. Wow, and you must have bought it during the coronavirus dip. When did you buy it?
Yes, I did. Yep, I bought it back in September.
Good for you.
September or October.
And it went up 92%.
And I bought it at, I think I put $10 into it, or maybe not even, I put like 10 or 20 into it, and it was at like, I think it was at like.
His internet's so bad. So I think I'm gonna have to ask him to let's do another live stream when you have better internet, because it's going out too much. So yeah, if his internet doesn't improve. Hey, can you go somewhere with better internet? Because it keeps cutting out. Or just where you're at, the internet's messed up.
It's probably just where I'm at, honestly.
Okay. Let's just do another live stream when you have better internet, because
it's back and forth between my Stash app and this. I invested $20.31 into that back in September, and it's up at 28.17 average right now.
Good for you.
And it's up to 39 something total.
Good for you. Okay. And then so what are your other four largest stocks? So you got that one. I mean, I like natural gas. That's fine. What are your other four stocks? You're gonna have to do this quick because your internet keeps cutting in and out. All right. I'm gonna just tell him no bueno.
I also have Total SA, which is my next highest.
Okay.
And then I have American Airlines.
Okay.
And then
why no big tech? Why no Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook? Why haven't you done any tech?
I hadn't gotten into any tech yet. I started out with the energy sector. That's kind of where my dad is at in a lot of his, and I started learning a little bit from him, and he started kind of pointing me at ones that pay dividends and ones that'll give me good return. And so he pointed me to those, which are ones that he invests in. And then 2 days ago, I bought into AFIN and NLY. I bought $9.22 worth of AFIN and $7 worth of NLY.
Okay, cool.
Or vice versa. I bought like one share of one and just under a share of another.
So the only thing I would say about your review is just to diversify, because once again, like all your eggs are kind of in one basket, which is energy. So I would definitely buy some tech just because tech is really cheap right now.
Right.
And then maybe do some other sectors as well. And then do you have any ETFs? Have you bought any ETFs or no?
No, I have not bought into any
Okay,
ETFs yet.
I'll give you two easy ones, okay? ARKK, you should definitely consider buying ARKK. And then VOO. VOO is just the 500 biggest companies in America. So it should be
Oh,
like
nice.
easy. And then ARK is just all like growth. So it's like, biotechnology. It's diversified, like Tesla. It's a little bit of everything. But
Nice.
that's I
Nice.
would check out those two ETFs, VOO and ARKK, and then you can keep doing what you're doing, but that way you at least have diversification because those two stocks will get you all the tech stocks. So you
Yeah.
don't have to buy the
And then
you buy VOO and you buy ARKK, you'll have diversification.
right. And on the BlockFi thing, if I put 5 USD into stablecoin, is there a way to convert that over to Bitcoin? Should I convert that over to Bitcoin, or should I
Yeah,
just
you
leave
can.
it where it's at?
It's up to you. If you think Bitcoin's expensive, then just leave it and get interest on your stable coin. And then whenever, like, let's say Bitcoin goes down to 40,000, you think it's a good price, you can convert your stable coin into Bitcoin.
Okay.
But it's totally up to you when you think it's right.
Is there a minimum? Is there a minimum on that USD that you have to be able to
Not on
draw
BlockFi.
interest? Not on
No. And I'm
BlockFi.
glad that you did that. Yeah. But no matter what, if you get $100, I would still just do 100 on Voyager, so you get $25 of free Bitcoin. Because like that's a
Right.
great trade, right? You
Right.
put in
Yeah.
$100,
Exactly.
$25 of free Bitcoin. So
Right.
definitely do this. But for you, because you don't want to worry about the minimum balances, it's good that you have BlockFi. BlockFi is
Okay.
better for until you do it. So, but
Awesome.
so far it
But
seems like you're doing
on
really, really
Voyager,
good.
it's 100 USD.
Yeah, you just have to do $100. So just wait till you have the $100, and then you do that, and you get $25 of free Bitcoin. So you'll have
My
$125.
my two
And it
newest
takes time.
AFIN and NLY on my portfolio are even up right now. But I'll read you from One Oak, Total SA, and American Airlines. Give me just a second. I'm going to go into it so I can write
Okay.
down their percentages, and I'll give you each of their percentages and where I'm at on them.
But hey, I appreciate it. It's cool. It's cool to have new investors like yourself come on here and just talk about your investments. Man. It's really really cool what you're doing. So please come back again
Yeah.
too when you have better internet.
Yeah. Right.
Come back when you have a Wi-Fi connection because he keeps cutting out. Yeah, man, I really like him. I'm hoping he'll come back when his internet's better. But yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go. So I'm gonna tell him that I gotta go when his internet fixes. Yeah, I'll just boot him. Okay. I'll come back on like maybe three hours from now. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna highlight this guy. Hey, I'm gonna make you an admin. I'm gonna make him an admin. Okay, so yeah, hey, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll be back in 3 hours. Maybe 2 hours. 2 hours actually. So, but we'll keep it going. And then once again, if you guys have YouTube, I post all these live streams on my YouTube. So if you get bored, check out the YouTube. All right, see you guys later. Thank you very much.